You are going to love the 2017 Outback. Take the go-anywhere capability of all-wheel drive and plenty of room for cargo and companions, and you've got the Subaru Outback. Let the adventure begin. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: perimeter alarm, roof rack, body color door handles, backup camera, trip computer, power door locks, leather-wrapped steering wheel, tinted glass, cloth upholstery, low tire pressure warning. Come take a test drive today.